Okay, FYP-academy viewers, this all was my available tools to package this laptop LCD screen. You can see that the package is thick, and I can close the package and stiff it with adhesives. You see that the package is thick and the LCD screen edges from both sides were free, and there was no pressure on them. Free and free. And when I close the door and zip it with adhesives, my sensitive part or my LCD screen in the package never moves left or right or up or down, cause I stiff the package door with the adhesives too. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, share and like, and always check the comments, always check the descriptions of videos. I have plenty of descriptions explaining things for you. Thank you very much.